Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and here I teach you how to enable the desktop site on your Android. So yes, enabling the desktop site on your device will help you to have the desktop theme on your mobile screen. And yes, that's rhyming kind of. Yes, you can have many advantages of opening your desktop site on your Android because it helps you edit your videos like a pro on your desktop site, for me at least. And also the desktop site enables you to access to number of other settings and options which is not given by default on your mobile. So click on Chrome, and this is the normal theme on your Android. But if you want to enable the desktop site, you click on the three dots and you click on desktop site right here. And yes, wait for it to load, and now you have your entire display like a desktop, and it is really helpful and it is really nice for me. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and thank you very much.